Okay, so hi guys, my name is Vishwajit. I'll be giving you a very quick, or I can say a beginner's level explanation of UI of a Snowflake. Also, I'll be posting such a kind of data engineering related videos on this YouTube channel. So this is my first YouTube video. So please like, share, and subscribe, and uh, give me feedback in the YouTube comment section. So without wasting our time, let's jump into a topic. I'll share my screen. Okay, so you just have to search Snowflake. For this, we will be using Snowflake free trial. It will be for 30 days. You'll get the free trial. So this is the link. Okay, so then you'll end up on this page. You just have to fill your details. Like my will be this details. Then company you can write ABC also. Uh, XYZ also, like no worries. Then you can write your role, then United States. Then you can okay, I'll put some my details. Uh, I'm just writing it as for example. Company. You can continue. Then select enterprise here. And from this three cloud provider, you can select whatever you want. I will go with AWS. Then you can click and then check, and you'll get started with the AWS free trial account. But I already have a AWS account, so I will I will just go with the existing account. Okay. So as soon as you log in, this will be the first, I would say, a page you'll end up with. So you can see many tabs like worksheet, dashboard, apps, data, marketplace. These are the some of the tabs. So first tab is the worksheet. Here you will have here you can write the SQL related queries. Like if you click on add button, you'll see SQL worksheet, Python worksheet, and then folders. You can in SQL worksheet you can write SQL related queries, and here you can write Python code. And here you can create folders. Like if you want to bifurcate your worksheet based on your project requirement, then also you could do that. So I have already created this some of the examples. I'll click on this one. So as you can see, so this is the area where we'll write our SQL queries. So you can see these are some of the small queries like show tables, select star from the test table. So if you'll write the queries here, you can just click here on run. Like I'll do this. So I don't know what happened, but here you will see the query result like ID and price, and you'll get the data here. If you want to see some visualizations, you can also see the chart here. On the right here, you can see select the charts like line chart, bar chart, scatter chart. Here you can select the axis also and some of the different operations. Here you will see the different kind of databases that you have currently. So this is the practice DB, in that you will have different information. I'll go into this detail like after some time. So this is basically a worksheet, I would say. And this will come back. So here are the here you will get if some of the worksheet are shared with you, then here my worksheet. Here you have different folders. It will create some folders. The second thing is a dashboard. You can create a dashboards also. So you just have to click on dashboard, then you will give the name and you'll have some dashboard. So I just created this taste dashboard. So right now there's no data, so it will not show any visualization regarding my data. So the third tab is app, and so basically this app and marketplace is like a similar. You just have to go on this marketplace and apps, and you'll get some different kind of applications, or I would say data that you can integrate with your Snowflake. The most important, I would say, a tab is a data tab. If you come inside, you'll see a different database. So first one is a practice DB, then there is Snowflake, then there is a Snowflake sample data. So if you come inside Snowflake, you'll see different schemas. And let's take the test schema. You see there are tables. Like this schema will be attached to different kinds of tables. Like right now it is attached to the this test table. So if you have to create a schema, then you can just write. Then I would just give some name like test2. Oh, sorry, test2. Then you can click on manage access. You can create so we have test2. Okay. So now you can create if you want to create table, view, stage, there are different kinds of format, different kinds of options you can explore. Here I'll go with the standard table. You can create external table also, add select also. I'll go with the standard one. So here it will give you a sample template, I would say. So you just have to write give the details. So test, I would say, I don't know, test table one. Here you can write as the ID, and the data type is int into comma price, and the data type will be also, and you can write string also. Okay, so and yeah, another thing is that you can see here. If you click here, you'll see a warehouse that you can choose. Here you also see different rules that you can give access to this particular table. So there's account admin, then there's public, then system admin. So these are some of the things. And if you have to select the warehouse, so here you'll get the different options. Like this is basically a size. You have X small, X large to X large. This basically will depend on the data that you will be using. So right now I have very small data. It's 4 5 lines of data. So I'll be just going with the X small. Then you have a minimum cluster count, maximum cluster count, then auto suspend. So these are some of the options that you can get in the data warehouse. So I close this tab. I create a table. So data is created. You can see. So instead of int, it is showing one number. So now let's just load the data. So I'll browse the data from my local. I This is the sales test. It is sample data that I have. You just have to create next. Here you'll see different options like select a file format. So this is the CSV. So I'll choose CSV. But you have various options like JSON, Parquet, ORC. This is the CSV. Now, so you have like very good options, I would say here. So this is like a skip header. Yeah, I will say skip one line because in my data, I have already written ID and price also. So then delimiter, comma, then trim space. These are some of the options you should explore. So I would go next. So now it's saying that. So data is loaded, and you can even do the data preview also. So like this is my data. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the price. Okay. So this is, and these are the columns will be in my data, like ID, price. This will be information. You'll also see the copy history also, like when did you copy the data, like that. And now if you want to do query your data, you can again go into worksheet. I will go into this sheet only. So here, uh, what was the data? It was, I think, test two, right? Yeah, test two. I'll go with the test two, and you just have to do this. Oh, so test two that does not exist. Oh, sorry. Uh, you have to select here the table that you want to go with. So I would select this test two here, the database that you want to deal with. You just have to select that also. See, these are some of the really cool features that Snowflake is providing. So now we are done, and now we can do enter again. Run. Still not authorized. Okay, I'm not sure why this thing is coming up. Yeah, I don't know. There might be some issue. I will check it later. But yeah, this is basically you'll see the query result here and the chart like as I explained. Now you have to go back. You will see activity. Like here you can filter your data, filter your queries, like what queries you did. If you want to filter it with like by default it will be 14 days. You can change it also, like last day, last 3 day, last 7 day, and custom also. Here is the option for filters. You can write SQL test, query ID. This is also a cool feature. Like if you want to check like what was the issue with the query, why it was failed exactly, something like that. Yeah. So you can also check that. And this we have admin. Here you can see the usage uh, of our Snowflake. Here you will get the various options like compute usage, then storage usage, and data transfer. If you go into compute, let's see what it shows. It's just showing like 0.25 because I have just used it today. And if you go with the storage, it will show like 2 KB of data that I have. It's just a small file. So the size is very, very small. Here you'll have a warehouse option. This is the only warehouse that I'm using right now. And the thing that I showed you, like the small size is what I'm using. So you'll have this all options. Then you have resource monitor. Like if you wanna get, okay, I'll show you. So you can just give the names like ABC, then number of credits allowed per cycle. You can write 90, 80 here. Can write monitor type, account or warehouse, and suspended immediately and notify when credit use this percent. If it is used, then it will suspend immediately, and yeah, stuff like that. So I will cancel this. This is basically users and rules. You can add users from here. You can give this ID password if you want to give access to a particular user. So you can do this from here. Here also security, like authentication things. If you want to add to your data, then also you can do that. Billings and terms. So these, I would say, these are some of the tabs that not I would say data engineer people will go towards. These are the admin jobs that they'll take care of. So here you have help and support. Here, if you wanna upgrade it to, I would say, more than 30 days, then you can do that. So yeah, this is basically, I would say, a short and very fast and beginner level explanation of UI. So please like, share, and subscribe to my video. So yeah, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.